Okay, I'm going to start the recording also. Everyone see. So last class, what we are going to discuss is that is the angle between the two lines. So in the vector form and in the Cartesian form, how it is. Basing this one, we are going to start the exercise. Everyone, today we have to complete 9 problems. Majority tomorrow we should be closed. Okay, now remaining 5 to 6 is there. We have to close tomorrow. So everyone see the angle between the two lines. The two lines are given. So yesterday I will give the statement also. Angle between, once again I am going to explain because the points are important for this one. So 3-dimensional axis is there. So we are rotating in anti-clockwise direction x, y and z. X, Y, Z, we are rotating in anti-clockwise direction. One line is passing through the origin. Another line also passing through the origin. Origin means you should be have the drs. Component of I, J, K are called drs. The angle between the two lines, L1 line and L2 line, we are upside is going, angle is going upside means positive, downside means negative. So angle is going upside direction, therefore it is a positive angle. Okay, now positive angle. Now what are the given lines? The L1 line is given by A1I plus AB1J plus BC1K, and L2 line is given by A2I plus B2J plus C2K. So the position vectors of L1 line and position vector of L2 line is given. Then we are going to find the angle between the two lines. Therefore, the angle between the two lines formula is, what is the two formula? Formula is cos theta. Cos theta is, so angle L1 bar dot L2 bar by modulus of L1 bar into modulus of L2 bar. Yesterday we put the names in the A bar and B bar vectors. OP bar vector and OP bar vector, I put the name. So OP bar vector and OP bar OQ bar vector. So here it is the OP bar vector. This is the OQ bar vector. This is the first line. So this is the first line equation. This is the second line equation. That means figure is we are going to take, this is the P point and this is the Q point, OP vector and OQ vector. So this is the OP bar vector. Cos theta formula is A bar dot B bar, A bar dot B bar by modulus of A bar into modulus of B bar. Modulus of A bar into modulus of B bar. Right. So dot product apply. Cos theta is equal to dot product is. So dot product is the I components multiplication, J components multiplication, A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2. By modulus value is root over A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square is the modulus of first vector. Modulus of second vector is A2 square, I component square, J component square, K component square. This is the cos theta formula we are going to apply yesterday. Okay, na? Right. Today we go through the, what is the concept about this one is. So now we can see the concept about this point C. First one I am going to take, first concept is that if the node point 1, yesterday I will write the node point 1 also, node point 2 time it will be cut. So now node point 1, if theta is equal to 90 degrees, theta is equal to 90 degrees mean the angle between the two lines is the 90 mean two lines are perpendicular. If theta is equal to 90, then what happens you can see. Cos of 90 degrees is equal to A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 by denominator is root over I component square, J component square, K component square, root over I component square, J component square, and K component square. Cos theta value is the 0 by the cross multiplication 0. A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is equal to 0. Therefore, the two lines are perpendicular. The two lines are perpendicular. Then the condition is A1, A2, I components multiplication, J component multiplication, and K component multiplication of the vectors is equal to 0. Second note point is if theta is equal to 0 degrees mean the two lines are parallel. 0 degrees mean two lines are parallel. If two lines are parallel, then what happens you can see. Then cos of 0 degrees, we are going to take the two lines are parallel means there. So what we have to discuss, two lines are parallel, they are different in only constant, they are different, slopes are equal, two lines are parallel, therefore DRs are equal. DRs are equal means they are different in constant. So how can you write me their ratios of the component? I component, J components are equal. Therefore, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. If theta is equal to 0 degree, then the two lines are parallel. Then the condition is, so a ratios of the components are equal. I component ratio and J component ratio and K component ratios of the two vectors are equal. Okay, na? Right. Next we go through the. So next we are going through the. Next, what is the third point is? Everyone see the third point. What is the third point is? Two vector forms is given. Vector form of the lines is given. Vector form of the lines. Vector form of the lines are given. Vector forms of the lines are given. What is the vector form of the lines is? What is the vector form? First line is R bar is equal to A1 bar plus lambda into B1 bar. First equation. Second equation is R bar is equal to A2 bar lambda into B2 bar. Second equation is given. Then how can you find the vector form equation is given? Then how can you find the angle between the two lines? Theta, this is the L1 equation. This is the L2 vector form equation. Let theta be the angle between the two lines. Let theta be the angle between the two lines. Then cos theta formula is drs only we can take. Here also we write the drs. Ratios are equal. Here also components means drs, only drs. So lambda into B1 is the dr. Lambda into B2 is the dr. This is passing through the point. A1 passing through the point. But drs is the B1 and B2. Parallel to the drs. So line is parallel. Parallel means drs we are going to take. Drs is the only B1 bar. So you should be see B1 bar dot B2 bar by modulus of B1 bar into modulus of B2 bar. Parallel is the B1. So B1 is the parallel vector. That's why drs don't take the points. Okay, na? So the angle between the drs we are going to find. Drs is the components. Right. Fourth point is, everyone see the fourth point. Cartesian form of the lines is given. Note point number 4. Cartesian form of the lines are given. Cartesian form. Fourth point. Cartesian form of lines. Cartesian form of lines are given. Lines are given. Cartesian form of the lines are given. What is the Cartesian form is? Already I will tell. Cartesian form is x minus x1 by a1, y minus y1 by b1, z minus z1 by c1. This is the one Cartesian form of the line. Or x2 minus x1 also we can write drs only. So second Cartesian form of the line is x minus x2 by a2, y minus y2 by b2, and z minus z2 by b2 c2. So these are two lines. What are the drs we can observe? First line drs is the denominator. Second line drs are the denominator passing through the point x1, y1, z1, passing through the point x2, y2. Don't take the point, only take the drs. So the angle cos theta is equal to dr, that is the a1, a2. So drs of these two multiplies b1, b2 plus b1, b2 plus c1, c2 by first drs square root a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into second drs square a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. These are the points we are going to remember. 4 points I am going to give, and basic these 4 points we are going to work out the problem. So now we go through the exercise 11.2. Everyone go through the exercise 11.2. Everyone see the exercise 11.2. Therefore, angle we are going to find in between the drs, not between the points. Drs is the most important here. Okay, the slopes. Angle is we are going to find between the slopes. So m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2. Slope is we are going to take for finding the angle. Here drs is we are going to take for finding the angle. Because of slope is the tan theta. We are going to find by the tan theta. In the same way here drs. In 3D the drs is the most important. Right. Tomorrow we can work out the shortest distance and basing that problems. Shortest distance, basing that problems we can complete mean. Tomorrow we have to complete all the exercise. So reminding what is the deleted topic, it is in JEE or included or not decided still today. That's why whatever it may be, the deleted syllabus, I am going to put the videos. Okay, na? So after that, this yesterday we are going to complete a syllabus. What is the deleted syllabus in that 11.3? I will put the videos. We can see the videos, everyone. Okay, na? Right. Come to the exercise 11.2. Exercise 11.2. First problem, see, everyone see the first problem, exercise 11.2. First problem, see everyone. What is the given first problem is, show that the 3 lines with the DCs is given are mutually perpendicular. 2 lines are perpendicular. Their dot product is equal to 0, either DRs or DCs. DCs is given L1 into L2 plus M1 into M2 plus N1 into M2. Okay, now DRs is okay means automatically DCs are okay because of they are proportional. DCs are proportional to DRs. That's why. So always it should be DRs is obey means DCs also obey. So what is the given? Show that the 3 lines with the DCs is given. What is the first line? DCs are given by, so L1, M1, L1. So 12 by 13 and minus 3 by 13. DCs of the first line. DCs 12 by 13 minus 3 by 13 minus 4 by 13. Second DC 4 by 13, 12 by 13, 3 by 13, and third DCC 3 by 13 minus 4 by 13 and 12 by 13. These three lines are, we are going to show that mutually perpendicular. First line DCC is given, second line DCC is given, third line, this is the first line DCs, this is the second line DC, this is the third line DC. So three lines are mutually perpendicular. Two lines are perpendicular, their dot products is equal to 0. A bar dot B bar. First line you can see, first line dot product we can apply. So L1 dot L2. Both is 0 means we get. So here is the L1, first one, L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2. N1, N2. These two lines, L1 and 2. Therefore, in that one, L1 is the 12 by 13, L2 is the 4 by 13. M1 is the minus 3 by 13. This is the L1, M1, N1. This is the L2, M2, N2. Next, M1, M2 is the 12 by 13. Plus N1 is a minus 4 by 13 and N2 is the 3 by 13. Now simplify. This is the 48 by 169 minus 36 by 169 minus 12 by 169. Total is 169. 48 minus 36 minus 12, all are cancelled, its value is 0. Therefore, L1 is perpendicular to L2. Next, we go through this. Next, L2, L3 you can take. L2, L3 we can take. First, L2, L3. L2 and L3 dot product we can apply. L2, L3. L2, L3 dot product in this one, L2, L3, this is the L1, M1, this is the first line, L1, M1, N1, now this is the L2, M2, N2. Now write out, so L1, L2, L1, L2 plus M1, M2 plus N1, N2 plus N1, N2, everyone apply. What happens, we can check. L1 value is 4 by 13 into L2 value is 3 by 13. M1 value is 12 by 13. M2 value is minus 4 by 13. Plus N1 value is 3 by 13 and N2 value is 12 by 13. Now you can see 12 by 169 minus 48 by 169 plus 36 by 169. So 12, all are cancelled. 12 minus 48 plus 36. LCM is the 169. So total is cancelled, value is 0. Therefore, L2 is perpendicular to L3. Last one, L1, L3, you can check first. L1, L3. L1, L3, check everyone. L1 and L3. L1 dot L3. L1 is the L1, M1, N1. And the L3 is the L2, M2, N2. So 12 by 13 and 3 by 13. Minus 3 by 13 minus 4 by 13. Next, next everyone see, right? 3 by 13, right? Minus 4 by 13 and 12 by 13. 12 by 13. Here is a 36 by 169. Plus 12 by 169 minus 48 by 169. All are cancelled. Its value also 0. L1 is perpendicular to L3. So 3 are mutually perpendicular. Therefore, L1, L2, L3 are mutually perpendicular. Mutually perpendicular. Write down everyone. Mutually perpendicular. Right, second problem. Everyone go through the second problem. Show that the line through the points is perpendicular to the line through the another point. Two lines are given. The two lines we have to show that perpendicular. So everyone see, one line is passing through the points. One line is passing through the points. 2 points is given. Second line also passing through the point. First line is passing through the point E. Second problem. First line is L1 is passing through the point C. AB points. What is the AB points? Is the 1, minus 1, 2. And B point is 3, 4, minus 2. Another line is there. What is the another line is given? So what is the another line is the PQ line is given. The PQ, P point is the 0, 3, 2. And the Q point is 3, 5, 6. 3, 5, 6. Right. To these, first line is passing through the point is the AB. Second line is passing through the point C, the PQ. First line DRs. L1 DRs of L1. First line. This is the second line. This is the second line. So first line DRs find out. DRs of AB. DRs of AB line is. What is the DR's formula is? This is the X1, Y1, Z1. This is the X2, Y2, Z2 in this line. Formula is the X1 minus X2, Y1 by X2 minus X1, sorry, X2 minus X1, Y2 minus Y1, Z2 minus Z1. Right, write down DR's. Here X2 is the 3. Minus X1 is the 1, Y2 is the 4, minus is the plus 1, Z2 is the minus 2, Z1 is the minus of 2. Here is the 2, 5, minus 4, DRs of AB. DRs of AB is the 2, 4, 2, 5, minus 4. Now write down DRs of PQ. DRs of PQ line. DRs of PQ line. Same formula, X2 minus X1, Y2 minus Y1, Z2 minus Z1, Z2 minus Z1. So this is the X1, Y1, Z1. In this one, P point is X1, Y1, Z1. Q point is the X2, Y2, Z2. Write down 3 minus 0. Next 5 minus 3. Next 6 minus 2. DRs is the 3, 2, 4. DRs of PQ. Write down. DRs of PQ bar is equal to 3, 2, 4. So the two lines are perpendicular, mean DR product of the DRs is equal to 0. Therefore, product of the two lines AB bar is perpendicular to B. PQ bar means what we are going to prove that A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is equal to 0 is required. A1, A2 value write down. A1, A2 value write down. If AB bar is perpendicular PQ bar. Now see, AB bar is perpendicular to PQ bar is required mean. So A that is equal to A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 value must be equal to 0. So first A1 value is, this is the DRs of, this is the A1, B1, C1. This is the A2, B2, C2. Write down 2 into 3. Next 5 into 2. Next minus 4 into 4. This is 6. This is 10. Minus 16. Total value is 0. Therefore, if AB bar is perpendicular to PQ bar. Right. Everyone complete this one. Right. Third problem. Show that the line, the given points 4, 7, 8, 2, 3 is parallel to the another line. Third problem is they are going to given the 2 point lines are parallel. We have to show that. Everyone, given problem is third problem. You can see. Third problem is everyone go through the third problem. First line is given. What is the A point is given by? So 4, 7, 8. And second point is given by 2, 3, 4. Next, second line is given. Second line is given. The second line points are given. What are the first point is? Second line first point is. What is the first point is given by -1, -2, 1. Second point is given by 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. Right, DRs find out first. DRs of the first point, DRs of the second point. Parallel means ratios are equal. DRs find out first point DRs. First point DRs and second point DRs. First you can do. First point DR, second point DR. First we can do DRs of AB bar. DRs of AB bar. X2 minus X1. Y2 minus Y1. Z2 minus Z1. This is the DR X2. 2 minus 4. This is the X1, Y1, Z1. This is the X2, Y2, Z2 in the AB line. 2 minus 4 and 3 minus 7 and 4 minus 8. So A1, B1, C1, DRs is equal to, what are the values you can see? So this is a -2, -4, -4, right? Completed. DRs of the second line, find out everyone. So DRs of PQ bar. In this PQ bar, P is the X1, Y1, Z1 and the Q is the X2, Y2, Z2. Apply the formula X2 minus X1, Y2 minus Y1, Z2 minus Z1. Write down the DRs of PQ. DRs of PQ, everyone. X2 is the 1, X minus plus 1, 2 minus is the plus 2, 5 minus 1, 2, 4, 4. This is the A2, B2, C2. A2, B2, C2 is the 2, 4, 4. DRs of this one completed. Now ratios are equal, two lines are parallel. A1 by A2 value, B1 by B2 value, C1 by C2 value. Check. A1 value is the -2, A2 value is the 2. B2 value is the B1 value is the -4 and B2 value is the 4. And -4, 4. Now see the ratio -1, -1, -1. Ratio is the same. Ratio is the same. Therefore, the AB bar line is parallel to PQ bar. Ratio is the same. Ratio is the same for 3 lines. Ratio is the -1 for 3 lines. Ratio is the same. Therefore, the AB bar is parallel to PQ bar. Right. Fourth problem. Find the equation of the line. Everyone see the fourth problem. Find the equation of the line which passes through the point and parallel to the vector. This is they are going to write the equation of the line. Everyone draw the figure. Find the equation of the line which passes through the point, okay, and parallel to the vector. Now, first you can write down. Fourth problem. Everyone go through the fourth problem. What is the fourth problem? Is three-dimension axis is there. So this is moving x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. Okay. Horizon. One line is passing through the point is A. A point is given. What is the given? A point is a 1, 2, 3. Components are given. We can write vector form. So join OA. We can write locus point is the P. Therefore, P point we can take it as a R bar. This is the OA bar vector, right? One vector is parallel. That is a B bar vector. What is the B bar is given by 3i. 3i plus 2j minus 2k. 2j minus 2k. Okay, right? Right. Immediately write down. Vector form is required to find the equation of the line. So that is a vector form or vector form not mentioned means vector form only find out. So vector form of the line. Vector form of the line not mentioned means vector form only find out. Vector form of the line passes through the point. Passes through the point. Capital A. Components are the 1, 2, 3. DRs are component and parallel to vector B bar. That is the 3i plus 2j minus 2k is vector form is the R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda into B bar. Write down R bar is equal to A bar is the OA bar plus lambda into B bar. R bar, OA bar component convert in terms of vector 1 into I plus 2 into j plus 3 into k plus lambda into B bar. That is the 3i plus 2j minus 2k. Not mentioned means we can find out the vector form. Right, fifth problem. Same problem, vector form and Cartesian form. Passes through the point is given, is in the same direction. Same direction means parallel. Same direction means parallel. When it is two lines are same direction, that are parallel only. Right, everyone go through the fifth problem is the same model. The problem is the same model, everyone. Right, fifth problem is what is the given? Find the equation of the vector form and the Cartesian form and passes through the point is OA bar is given. What is the OA bar is given by 2i minus j plus 4k. OA bar and parallel to the vector B bar is given. What is the B bar is given by? So I plus 2j minus k. Same direction means parallel. First write down the vector form of the equation. Vector form of the equation. So passes through the point is 2 comma. Components is the 2 comma. minus 1 comma 4, and parallel same direction means parallel I plus 2j minus k, right? Vector form, write down everyone. R bar is equal to A bar. R bar, A bar is the OA bar, that is the 2i minus j plus 4k plus lambda into B bar is the I. B bar is the I plus 2j minus k. Vector form, let's leave it. Vector form is over. Now go through the everyone. Cartesian form. Cartesian form is already know that x minus x1 by parallel vector drs. Drs is the components 1, 2, minus 1. First vector no means r bar you can take. Let our Cartesian form. Cartesian form. Immediately R bar place. Let R bar is equal to xy plus yj plus zk. R bar place right now. R bar place is the xi plus yj plus zk is equal to 2i minus j plus 4k plus lambda into I plus 2j minus k. Write down the components equating, comparing the ijk components of ijk. Components of ijk no means direct formula should be write down. X minus x1 passing through the point is the 2. Okay, na? X minus x1 passing through the point is the 2 minus 1, 4. DRC is the parallel line.